This is a quick little video to show you how to split up when you have a situation like city, state, and there's just a space in there, there's not a comma. You also have situations where maybe your city name has two or three spaces in it, and you can't just tell it to split on the space because that won't work. And text to columns won't work because it's not the same size. There's no delimiters in there, or at least consistent. So we need some way to figure it out. The one thing we do have going for us is one pattern, is that the state name is always at the end and it's always 2 digits. So we could, if we know that, then we just need to figure out how long is the name of the city. And then it's possible to use string functions like left or right or mid to tell it to, for example, to start on the left and go a certain number of bytes. But first we need to figure out how many bytes are each of these names without the state abbreviation. And so we've got the state abbreviation and a space. So if we do len, use the length function, a2, we could take -3. That would tell us that Shakopee is 8, and Prior Lake is 10, Chaska is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's giving us the space in there. There's probably maybe a leading or no trailing spaces in there, but this tells us where the length of the city name. So now if you remember, the left function is to start on the left of the cell, but then we need to tell it how many bytes to take. Well, we've already calculated that in B2, so we could just put that in there and we should get Shakopee. Of course, if you want to do this all at once, you could do left A2 len A2 minus, I did -3, and then it'll give you the same answer. So you could do it all in one swoop if you want. And then the state is going to be the same. We can do right A2 comma 2. That'll get us the state abbreviation. Nice and easy.